Okay, hello.
Yeah, hello. What can I do for you?
I'm just gonna pan. You can say what you
Oh, you're
want.
panning. Oh, you're doing a video.
Yeah. Just gonna
Okay, let's go.
scan that boat where you used to work many years ago
Yes, I
to
know.
earn your fare back to the UK from
On my way
Canada.
back to the UK, yes.
Yeah. And there's all.
It was really good. It was a lovely boat too.
You're at a yacht auction, aren't you? Yeah. Picking your yacht. I can't even speak. What am I like? I don't know. Scanning. Scanning. Pan and scan. Look at them hills, eh? Look at them mountains. You want to tell everybody where you are today?
Hi everybody. Well, we're in Cannes today and it's beautiful. All these lovely boats and all these lovely hotels right along the beach, the promenade. And all the lovely people swimming in the sea. Mind you, it's not as crowded as it is in
Monaco.
Monaco. And it's lovely, beautiful here. The sun's scorching, climbing down.
Yeah.
So we're going to have another wee walk round the town. So I'll see you later on, okay?
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.